Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram. Topics covered in SAT Math section can be broadly divided into 4 different categories. Today, we will look at additional topics in math.
By using the unit circle, we can easily create a table of commonly used trigonometric values. All we got to do is look at x and y coordinates of the unit circle. X coordinate will be cosine theta and y coordinate will be sine theta. For example, sine 0 will be 0, but cosine 0 degree will be 1. Sine of pi by 6 or 30 degree is 1/2, whereas cosine of 30 degree is root 3/2. Sine of 45 degree and cosine of 45 degree are both root 2/2. Sine of pi over 3 is root 3/2, whereas cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. Sine of pi by 2 is 1 and cosine of pi by 2 is 0. Tan theta can be easily calculated by dividing sine by cosine. For example, tan of 0 degree will be 0 divided by 1, which will give us 0. Similarly, tan of pi by 6 is 1/2 divided by root 3/2 or 1 over root 3. Tan of pi by 4 or 45 degree is going to be 1. Tan of pi by 3 is going to be root 3. Tan pi by 2 is going to be 1 divided by 0, which is infinity.
I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and MCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you.
Let's apply these concepts to a problem. We are given sine of pi by 4 is equal to cosine of pi by 6 and angle A is between 0 and pi by 2, or it is in the first quadrant. They want us to find the value of sine A. Sine value of one angle is equal to cosine value of the other angle only if the two angles are complementary, or their sum is equal to pi by 2 or 90 degree. In this case, one of the angle is pi by 4 and other is pi by 6 plus a. Their sum must be equal to pi by 2. If we solve for angle a, we will get pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus pi by 6. We can solve this by taking lowest common multiple of 12. In the numerator, we will get 6 pi minus 3 pi minus 2 pi, which will give us pi over 12. Now we can easily find sine of angle A or sine of pi over 12. We can rewrite this as cosine of pi by 2 minus pi over 12. As complementary angles have same sine and cosine value, we can rewrite sine pi over 12 quite easily as cosine pi over 2 minus pi over 12, or cosine 5 pi over 12.
If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT math.